Nice and beautiful one, guys. I know you definitely we're gonna love this one. Cucumber. All right, it's just very good for detoxing your body and losing weight. I know it's Christmas, but we all have to look after ourselves. All right, so you're gonna get half of a cucumber. Straight inside of it, 1 lemon, or you can use lime. I'm using lime, sorry. Now, get a piece of a ginger. The most important thing is to remove the skin from this ginger because you're going to drink it natural like this. All right, put it straight inside of it. And what you do, just put some water in it like this. Now, I'm gonna simple blend this about 3 to 4 minutes. The cucumber, 95% is just water, so it's easy. And nice. All right, that's what you need to do. Now it's simple, easy one, easy to go, quick in the morning, quick 9 to 5 job. You know what I mean? You need to do this, and this is very good for weight loss and also detoxing your body. Drink this every morning before you go to work and see exactly what happened to your body. Amazing recipe, and I want to say thank you guys for, you know what I mean, subscribe to the YouTube channel and leaving your comments. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas like this will be coming for you. All right, easy one to make at home. Now, as I said, we have a lot more recipe like this will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. See you next time. Bye bye.